Very good afternoon, everyone. I'm your host, Ridhimavali, and I extend a warm welcome to each one of you to this truly epoch-making occasion where Raymond and KVIC, Khadi and Village Industries Commission has joined hands under a strategic alliance to truly make a difference in the lives of people. And after 6 decades, Khadi remains on the top of the mind of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, for whom making Khadi a global product with larger purpose of giving lakhs of artisans a sense of financial freedom, empowerment still remains a topmost priority. With such consequential ramifications, when two Indian powerhouses with rich legacy come together, they aim to bring huge leaps in the lives of people. Raymond, with a rich heritage of 9 decades, delivering premium formal wear with some of the most finest fabrics and impeccable fit, and KVIC, an institution of over 6 decades, which works with a monomaniacal focus of creating self-reliance amongst the poor and building up a strong rural community spirits, are joining hands and collaborating to transform Khadi for nation to Khadi for fashion. And it gives me immense privilege to call on stage Miss Usha Suresh, who is the CEO of KVIC.
Thank you to all the distinguished personalities on the dais and equally distinguished gathering here from Raymond's and KVIC. Thank you.
I'm sure our Khadi quotient has increased by a few notches. Thank you, Ms. Suresh. And after this engaging and truly intriguing presentation, it's time to call on stage the dynamic CEO, Raymond Limited, Mr. Sanjay Behr.
Thank you very much. Thank you, good afternoon, and thank you very much, Mr. Saxena, Madam Usha. So extremely proud, thank you very much. And I just hand over to the MC, ma'am. Yeah, thank you.
So this combined logo of Raymond and Khadi India represents a meaningful collaboration, forging deep ties with KVIC, and of course, a cutting-edge alliance that will not only take Khadi into global headroads, but also will give novel offerings to the customers. So I think in this case, customers are the biggest winners. Shri Gautam Harisinghania, Chairman, Managing Director, Raymond Limited.
I think this is the beginning of a long partnership, and I'm sure both the teams have worked very hard, so please accept my congratulations to both the teams. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for demystifying the entire spectrum of Khadi to all of us with so much conviction. And now, after listening to this series of thought-provocative conversation, it's time for your favorite round, guys, the Q&A. The dais is now open for Q&A. I have just one request: keep the Q&A conversation relevant to the theme, and over to you all. And now, to render the final vote of thanks, may I call on stage Mr. Sudhanshu Pokhriyal, President, Suiting Business, Raymond Limited.
Dignitaries from KVIC, Raymond, and members of the press, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you. I thank all of them. All of them are present here. And thanks a lot to the member of the press. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. And now we may all proceed for the high tea and continue our wondrous conversations there. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.